This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Miller Gentry. Welcome to 2091 Tazewell Road, Virginia Beach, located in the Ocean Park neighborhood within 2 blocks of the Chesapeake Bay, the Lynnhaven River, the Brock Environmental Center, Pleasure House Point Park, and the Lynnhaven Boat Ramp. The home is professionally landscaped with a private backyard oasis and patio, oversized driveway and 2-car garage, a second-floor screened porch, and an open floor plan. The first floor includes laundry and large bedroom with ensuite bathroom and access to the back patio. The second floor includes a large updated kitchen, dining room and great room with a fireplace that opens to a screened porch. The third floor includes the primary bedroom with a third-floor open sundeck and second guest room. All 3 bedrooms have private ensuite bathrooms. Hardwood floors on the main living area and carpet on the 3rd floor. Living close to the Chesapeake Bay with many restaurants located nearby will make you feel like you're on vacation year-round. October 2, 2024. For more information, review the details below.